I purchased 3 bundles and a closure from the Rebecca fashion store on AliExpress. It came in this pretty standard packaging, no box or anything. I'm gonna just cut it open with my scissors because I'm not about to break a nail. I ordered the 613 blonde. I ordered it in 22, 24, and 26 and 18 closure. The hair came with these pretty nude colored bows. The bundles are pretty thick, in my opinion. The closure, it appears to be like a standard 4x4 closure. Nothing too fancy. It doesn't look pre-plucked much. That's it on my skin color, so I'll probably have to put some makeup on it. I don't really like to bleach. I'm running my hand through it. I only got like 1 strand of hair, so that's actually good. But the hair does have a smell. The hair isn't that soft. It reminds me almost like baby doll hair, like some fine baby doll hair. But I'm overall pleased with this. Okay, so I ended up dyeing the hair like this burgundy color with dark roots. But it was pretty simple. It just was hard to get the exact color that I wanted. And I ended up making the hair into a wig.